Hey guys, check out this really nice double-sided magnetic whiteboard. This board is perfect for whether you're at school, homeschooling, or you're in the office. I love how there's two different height levels to this. Right now we have it on the level that's great for kids. My kids love writing on this. It's perfect for when we are homeschooling. And then you also have up top here, you can also increase it up to a height that's great for adults. You just snap off these caps on the top and then you can go ahead and raise it up for you. So this is really nice because it is a 360 rotation on it. So down here, there's a little knob. You just go ahead and push it down, and then you can go ahead and flip it right back around, and it locks right into place for you. And it does come with magnets too, so you can go ahead and use this as a whiteboard, or you can go ahead and stick up schoolwork or papers for the office. I love that touch to it. It does come with two different markers and an eraser for you. I love the shelf down here too. It's perfect for holding your markers and your eraser, and you also can move it up just by taking the bolts out on the side, and then you go ahead, just increase it. There's a spot up here, so when you do have it on the height that's great for adults, this goes up too for you. It does have 4 wheels on the bottom, which makes it great so you can go ahead and roll it around to wherever you need it to be. It has really nice locks on them too, so it locks it right into place, so it's not gonna move around on you when you are writing on it. So I absolutely love this for homeschooling. I love how there's 2 sides to it. So each of my kids, they can do their schoolwork on both sides. It's easy for them to write on, being at the perfect level for them. And I love how I can also increase it up for me. So whenever I am brainstorming for the day, I can go ahead and have it up at my height. And it's easy to adjust back and forth. So if you're looking for a really nice double-sided magnetic whiteboard, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.